class. My name is Miss Lynette. I'm so excited you're here to learn about the abacus. This is a tool, this is a math tool that's going to help us learn how to count, add, and subtract. Are you ready? So here's the book. This is my abacus. What we're going to do is we're going to lie our abacus down flat on the table. And so when we clear it, we're going to make sure that none of the beads are touching the horizontal bar. This line right here is called the horizontal bar. Clearing my abacus means that none of the beads is touching this line right here. This line is what's going to make it count. So when we count, we're going to be doing this. We go to the horizontal bar when we want to count. Okay? So this is a Japanese abacus. A Japanese abacus is also called a soroban. That means there's going to be one bead on top and 4 beads on the bottom. Do you see that there's 4 beads? So this again is the beam, and the beam is going to help us count our beads. So the first thing we're going to do is understand that there's the top beads and then the bottom beads. All the top beads is a value of 5. What does that mean? Well, when we count, we know that 0 looks like this. 0 means none of the beads are touching the horizontal bar. Then we do 1. Notice there's 1 bead touching the horizontal bar. There's 1 bead. So we're going to write the number 1 here because that's what 1 looks like. And then we're going to color in 1 box in our 10 frame. So then we have 2. Notice there's 2 beads on the abacus. So that means we're going to write 2 in our paper. And then we're going to color in 2 boxes. 1, 2. And then you can count. There's 3. So there's 3 on the abacus. That's what 3 looks like. 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and write 3 over here. Color in 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And you keep going. So we have 4 on the abacus. We'll write 4 here. And notice when we have 4, it's 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what 4 looks like on the abacus. So let's color in 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do 5. What does 5 look like? So then we have the number 5. The number 5 is just here, the top bead. The top bead is a value of 5. So we're going to write 5 over here, and notice it's the top bead over here. We're going to color in 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the top boxes is being colored. Notice that? So now if we look, we do 6. 6 is 1 plus 5. There's the 5 and there's the 1. That's what 6 looks like. So 6 looks like that. Just like we have here, we're going to color in all the boxes on the top, right? That's what 5 is. And then we color in 1 box on the bottom, just like that. That's how we get 6. So when we notice, right, we have 6 boxes. There's 6 on the abacus. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And then we do 7. 7 is 5 plus 2. So we have 7 on the abacus, right? We write 7, and then we're going to color in 7 boxes. Remember, we color in 5 boxes at the top. And then don't forget there's 2 boxes that we're going to color. So we're going to color in these 2 boxes, and that's how you make 7. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to count 5, 6, and then 7. 8. 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what 8 is. So we're going to write the number 8 here, and then we're going to color in 8 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we did the 5. That's what this is right here. That's what 5 is. And then we're going to color in 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we have our last number, which is 9. 9 looks like this. 1 bead on top and 4 beads on the bottom. So it's just like how we would color it. 5 beads on the top. 5 boxes are going to get colored in. and then 4 boxes at the bottom. That is how we make 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's how you count on the abacus. So go ahead and finish this out. This is read the abacus. We have 0 here, and then you write the number. What number do you think this is? Don't forget to color in the abacus and let me know what number this is. There's space for you to write the number. I'm going to put number 1, and then it's your job to finish it out. So go ahead and color the rest, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.